Want your customers to automatically receive a receipt after every successful payment on Stripe? Automatic receipts are a simple yet effective way to provide great customer service. In this guide, I'll show you how to set up and customize automatic payment receipts in Stripe. To enable automatic receipts, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Head over to your Settings, usually accessible from the top right. Then look for Email Receipts or Business Settings under the Account or Billing section. Here, you'll find options to enable or disable automatic receipts for various events, including successful payments, refunds, and subscriptions. Make sure the toggle for successful payments is turned on. You can also customize the appearance of these receipts by adding your logo and brand colors. Finally, save your changes. Stripe will now automatically send a professional-looking receipt to your customers' email addresses after each successful transaction. This saves you time and ensures your customers have a clear record of their purchase. And there you have it. Setting up automatic receipts in Stripe is quick and professional. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.